First of all, if tenants don't pay, you can start eviction right away. In Florida, I work as a property manager as well and landlord. And in Florida right now, since July 1st, 2025, you can email 3 days before you quit. You don't need to post on the door. You can just email it. First of all, email, wait for 3 days. If you need free form, I can send to you. Okay? Then tenants can say, okay, we'll pay. We found some money or rental assistant. Okay. If we pay, it's fine. If we don't, next step, you go on this website, myfloridaexit.com, create, begin e-filing, create your account. For example, I created. You just log in to your account and it's easy. It takes 5 seconds. You upload your documents, your lease, that's it. And you don't need to do some military stuff because it's later if it's real eviction. You apply for count 1 when you need to get your property back, and count 2 when you get all rent debt back. Tenants have to pay. And then when you get final judgment and sheriff, you can use sheriff or you can use your personal server. It doesn't matter. It took me 5 days. Mostly takes 5 days, even during Christmas time. They act very quickly and so convenient in Florida because everything is online. And then you get final judgment. When you get final judgment, you report it front lobby. For front lobby, you don't need even final judgment. You report for credit bureaus, and tenants get on their records. That's it. So it's super easy process because we have to follow the law. If, for example, people unfortunately steal, for example, a piece of bread from a store, we go to jail. But tenants can steal 1, 2 or more months of rent damages, but nothing happened to them. No, they have to be responsible. They can get rental assistance, they can use credit card, they can ask relatives, friends for money, or they can move out at least. Yes, and they can go to shelter. That's why it's not fair, because in any business, if people don't pay money, they remove them immediately from hotel. If you don't pay, they remove you after 1 p.m. But why people abuse landlords? Put in comments, why do you think? Especially in America, we abuse landlords like crazy. People can stay, never pay, damage property. It's crazy. That's why it's very important to follow the law. 3 days per quit, and then you start eviction immediately. And eviction go on their records, and until they pay back your debt, your rental debt, it stay on their records forever. Minimum 7 years, and then you report to all credit bureaus. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video. Let's respect landlord because they work hard. We're not billionaires. If it's a big corporation, they have money, but mom and pop landlords, they're not reaching people who have a lot of resources. That's why, please, I gave you example. If you steal something from, let's say, Walmart, piece of bread, you go to jail immediately. It costs $5, yes, bread. But if you steal thousands of dollars from landlord, nothing happens. No, we have to change it. It has to be fair towards to landlords. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video, and don't forget we have big group on Facebook and says all bad tenants. You can post there bad tenants. Okay, I was a tenant. I always paid on time. You can borrow, you can get roommates, but please follow the lease and follow your obligations. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video, and share in comments what about other states. In California, it's much more difficult, but in Florida, it's pro-landlord state. It's much more easy. Okay, subscribe, give like. See you. Bye-bye.